Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today what you're doing is Oreo chocolate souffle. It's very nice recipe that you can follow. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to just butter the ramekins, okay, and then I can put a little bit of sugar in it. So I have my ramekins there now, as you can see here. Okay, so what I've done, I've put some butter in, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a bit of granulated sugar. Right guys, so I put a little bit of sugar in it, granulated sugar, and then just swirl it around, right, to get a bit of sugar in every part of it. So I will do it for each of the ramekins, okay, as you can see. So I'll do that for each of them. Right guys, so these are the ramekins. I've done everything with them, the sugar and the butter, so I'm just put that aside, and then we move on to our souffle. Right guys, first of all, so I'll put some milk in a pan. I'll put all the measurement down below, okay? So that's the milk. So what I'm doing is put on the fire and make sure that when it's about to boil, okay, it's about to simmer, then I'll take it off. Right guys, as you can see, our milk is hot, so I have taken it off the fire and put it aside. So guys, I have some chocolate here. It's dark chocolate, so I'll put that into the milk and just let it stand for a bit, and then I'll stir it after. Right, so you stir it. Make sure it's melted nicely. It's nicely melted. So guys, next bit is I have to add some cocoa powder, and this is the cocoa powder that I'm using. This Oreo, Cadbury Oreos cocoa powder. That's what I'm using for the cocoa powder bit, and I have a bit of crushed Oreos. So I'm going to put that into the mixture. It smells so good. And then what I'm going to do is to add some water. I'll put all the measurements down below. I'm going to mix this nicely. So guys, I have some egg whites here, so I'm going to whisk that, but before that I'll add a bit of salt, okay, and I have some bit of castor sugar here. I'll put the measurement down below. I'm going to whisk that, okay, and as I'm whisking it, then I'll add the sugar. Guys, as you can see, our egg white is ready. So guys, before we add the egg white, I have 2 egg yolks here that I want to add. We add that nicely. Make sure we have a smooth butter. Smells really good, guys. So the next bit I want to do here before I add it to I want to take a bit of the egg white and add it to this. It's easier to just... So what I'm going to do is to pour the chocolate mixture into the egg whites. Right, so I'm just mixing the chocolate with the egg whites. Smells really good, guys. Right, guys, so I'm putting the mixture into my ramekins. It's nice and light. So I need to fill out all my ramekins and then put that into the oven. So guys, you fill the ramekins and I'm going to put that into the oven. The oven has been preheated to 190 degrees Celsius and I'm putting this in for about 30 to 15 minutes. Guys, so this is our souffle. Our souffle, I've just taken it out of the oven, so I'm putting that on the plate. Right, guys, so this is our souffle done. It's nicer than as you can see. Okay, so what we normally have with our souffle is our milk. See here. All right, it's nice, moist and very light. So if you like this recipe, okay, please give me a thumbs up and put on your post notification as you subscribe to my channel so that when I put up a new video you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching me. God bless you. Bye.